It is a beautiful day for a walk. I love my neighborhood. The sun is very warm today. The breeze feels very nice. I must be careful on the street. The cactus. The park is very green. Something smells wonderful. What is that sweet aroma? I see a food cart. Oh, 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 ow, ah. They are selling hot corn.
The husks are very fresh.
Ooh, look at the yellow kernels.
The steam is rising high. The tongs are very strong. Ooh.
I am very hungry now. Hello. One corn, please. The price is very cheap. Oh! I need a bag for my corn. The stick is very useful. Very useful. I want some butter on it. The brush is spreading the oil. Please add some salt. Wow. Wow. Pepper makes it a bit spicy. The juice is dripping down.
Ooh. That sauce looks very red.
I need a napkin for my hands. I have my money ready. Here is one coin. This is a $5 bill. Wow. Thank you for the change. The corn is very heavy. I must blow on the hot corn. The taste is delicious.
This corn is so crunchy.
I must find a bin. I will sit on the bench. The water is like a mirror. Hello, little bird.
My fingers are a bit greasy. The water is very cold. It is time to go home. My shadow is following me. I like the white fence. The tree is very old. This is a tiny acorn. The squirrel is very quick. I am back at my door. It is quiet inside my home. Hygiene is very important. The towel is dry now. Everything has a place. The sofa is so comfy. Books are my best friends. The sunset is starting. Milk is good for health. I love a sweet snack. The chips are very dark. My hair is still neat. Clean teeth are very white. Coarse, A4. The paste is very fresh. My bed is so soft. The light is very bright. The pillow feels like a cloud. I am falling asleep now. Good night to everyone. Sleep well and have sweet dreams. The house is quiet at night. The moon is high in the sky. Learning is a big adventure. Goodbye!